In this short, you're going to understand and tackle the basics of the Blockley maze.
Level 1 is pretty easy. So if you move forward, you move one step. So to win this level, you need to move 2 steps. Therefore, you need to use 2 of the move forward blocks.
For the second level, instead of only moving forward, you need to know how to turn left and to turn right. Some of you might get confused, so I can kind of understand. But yeah, you need to slowly figure it out. So here's a picture for you to understand much faster. If you understand directions, then you can solve this pretty easily. In this level, you learn about loops. Loops are one of the most important control structures when it comes to coding. As you can see, you can only use 2 blocks of code, and that is because they don't want you to use the move forward block a billion times, so you can get to know how the loop works. In this case, we want the player to keep repeating the move forward block until it reaches the end. The 4th level is like a combination of level 2 and level 3. If you can figure out the pattern, then you can solve this easily. Level 5 is almost like level 2, just that there's that one little line before you have to go straight forward. So you literally have to think outside the box. Not all the code has to be in the loop. Some of them can be outside of it. This level introduces if conditions. How they work is, if the condition is true, it will run the code inside of it. An example I could give could be, if it's raining, then I'll bring an umbrella. So applying this concept to Blockley, you could now turn left if there is a path to the left. Which also means if there's nothing to your left, then that code will not run. There's still 3 more levels in this Blockley maze, but I will not go through it in this short because it is pretty advanced. If you need a guide on how to tackle those 3 levels, please look for the pinned comment because that's where I'll be linking the next video. Subscribe if this was helpful to you.